for no be small. He get you one man, in name na Mr. Ibu. Him get you one pikin, in name na Mo. The two of them, they're very wonderful. In short, Hannah, be very wonderful. Everywhere them go, they must.
So I didn't know this. Still, the food is not tasty. Okay. Human sugar, curry, and thyme.
That's nice. Hey.
Let me see it.
Hey. I tell you, it's wonderful. Come. What's this? You want to swallow this thing? I've told you don't cut big head by Oagbu. You want to kill yourself? Come on, reduce it.
No, Papa, I can swallow it.
You are mad. Come on, remove it. Nonsense. Hey.
But it's not pray.
Hey, pray, no problem. What do you use for this soup? Huh? This is a soup or puss?
How?
What kind of soup is this?
It's a soup now. Huh? I took it with curry, thyme, sugar, everything. Very sweet.
Sugar?
Ha! Papa.
Sugar?
Papa, it's very sweet, oh.
Okay, there's nothing wrong with it, eh? No, eat. Finish it.
Papa, you're not eating.
No, finish.
Hello.
Finish it.
You don't like to eat meat. I'm tired.
Eh?
I'm tired.
It was more work. If you didn't finish this food, I kill you here.
Papa, it's better you give me because it's something as finishing this food. If you don't give me now, by the time I finish this food, I will still die.
Better for me because you have no use to me. Do you know the pains it takes me to provide the money for the ingredients of this soup that you've just wasted? Finish it here.
Papa.
What is it?
I vomit.
Sit down there. Vomit inside this one. Put it there.
Papa.
Sit down.
No, I want to drink.
Idiot. Come on, carry this in, remove here.
Papa, let me go to the toilet.
Let me
go to the toilet.